Start by tapping on the collarbones, neck, and face areas. This helps the blood circulation to increase. We go on with our lymphatic massage. We start with the armpits and then we move our way up to the collarbones, neck, back of the neck, and ears. Lymph nodes in the neck and face area play a crucial role in maintaining your health. These lymph nodes act as filters, draining the excess fluid under the skin. This fluid contains waste products, bacteria, and other unwanted substances. By massaging the lymph nodes, we help them to move back into the bloodstream. After opening lymphatic drainage system, we start with our massages.